Hello students, how are you all? Class 6, I hope you are enjoying your videos and your online classes. Myself Pupur Ghosh, your English teacher, and welcome back to your next English class. In the last day, I was telling about this chapter. What was the chapter's name? Who did Patrick's homework? I hope definitely you have downloaded it and you will get all the pages there. I told you. So the last day I told you the summary of the story. Okay, I hope you remember. I hope you remember who was Patrick, who was a elf, who did Patrick's homework, how did he do it. You will get all the answers in your mind. Okay, so without delaying time, I will start this chapter elaborately today with all paragraphs. Okay, there are 10 paragraphs I told you, right? If you already downloaded it, it will help you. So see the lines. See the first page. In the first page, there are 2 paragraphs. And I am telling the meaning of the 2 paragraphs. There are written the meaning. Okay. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball on Nintendo. See the first paragraph and see the second paragraph. I hope you remember Patrick was very much lazy and he hated to do homework. He always played hockey, basketball, Nintendo. What is Nintendo? A video game. And he was just feel like an ignoramus. See, I have underlined the words, whatever you are getting a new words. Okay. So please note these new words with their meaning. And it is written here, an ignorant person who lacks education. Right? See the next paragraph. One day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. And to his surprise, it wasn't a doll. You remember about this paragraph. See the drawing. I hope you remember at all. But a man of a tiny size and he had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches. What is breeches? It is written here. Short trousers. This is told about the man. Whenever he saw the cat was playing a doll, whenever he came near, he suddenly saw his face and he understood this is not a doll. And the cat was trying to grab it. Okay, but whenever he saw, he understood this is a man of tiniest size, means was very smallest size. He has a had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches. He had a little wool shirt. He wore a little wool shirt and fashion breeches. Breeches means short trousers. Okay, and a high tall hat. You can see. Okay, you can see this picture. You can understand his appearance, his look. Okay, much like a witch's. He was looking like a witch. Witch means you know. Okay, what is the meaning of witch? You will tell me in the comment box. I hope you know. Okay, he yelled, save me. Yelled means shouting with a cry voice, means he was trying to rescue himself. On that moment, what was his voice? And he was telling, save me, don't give me back to this back to that cat. I will grant you a wish, I promise you that. I told you, whenever he saw the Patrick, he told, save me, don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you, means I am giving you assurance, you a wish, whatever I promise you to that. Whatever you will tell me, I will do each and everything. See the paragraph 3 and 4. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Whenever he listened this line, he was feeling very much lucky person. Here was the answer to all of his problems. He got all the solves of all of his problems. What kind of problems? Problem means the homework. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you will do all my homework till the end of the semester, how many days? 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A grade. If you do it, then I would get A grade. Okay. See the 4th paragraph. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth. What is a dishcloth? It is written here. A cloth used for washing dishes. Okay. Whenever he listened this all, his face wrinkled. What is meaning wrinkled? Wrinkle means his face was looking like wrinkling. Okay, and like what? Dishcloth. Dishcloth what? Dishcloth is a cloth used for washing dishes, and after using it is thrown in the hamper. Hamper means a basket with a lid. Of course, whenever you just wash your dish and then just disclose that dish, after that of course you will throw it to the hamper. Okay, it is written here what is meaning. Dishcloth, a cloth used for washing dishes. Hamper, a basket with a lid. Every meaning you will get here. Okay, point and the meaning, and please give a notice, right? He kicked his leg. He was angry. Why? Because he was totally unknown about this all. Whenever he listened, he had to do all the homework till the end of the semester. He was confused, and he just kicked his leg and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. He was totally confused. He was angry. See the meaning? Grimaced, scowled, pursed his lips. From here, it is written here. His face has this expression. It was the expression of his face. Suppose you got some job, whatever you don't know, it will irritate you, and your face will show your irritation. That is an expression of your face. Showing disgust, you will show your disgusting feeling. Showing your anger and your disapproval means you are not ready to do that. But else, similarly, he got that expression. But what he can do? Nothing. He can't do anything else. Whatever he promised, so he had to do it. That is why he told, "Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it." Because he was cursed. He was promised. He just promised to that Patrick that he had to do each and everything. So he was telling, "Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it." Okay. See the next paragraph number 5, paragraph number 6. Okay. True to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. After that, he just started to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. What is glitch? See the meaning. A fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. Here, hitch or problem. Here, glitch means problem. Okay. Except one problem, it was arised. The elf didn't always know that what to do, and he needed help. Always he didn't know what he had to do because he was totally unknown about the human lives, right? So he needed help. Help me, he would say, and Patrick would help. Patrick would have to help in whatever way. He just told, "Help me. You have to help me in each and every time, otherwise I can't do it. I don't know this word." The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. While he was reading Patrick's homework, he told, "I don't know this word." The elf squeaked. Squeaked means shouted with a harsh voice. "Get me a dictionary." "No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter." He told, "Take a dictionary and tell me what is there." So till here I just discussed today, and on the next day I will discuss from the next paragraphs. Till then, keep watching and enjoy my videos, and please read the meaning and read the lines of all. Okay, have a nice day, and thank you once again.